Best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever.
Fear is my friend. I love fear. Fear allows me to reach my highest potential. The fear of failing is an illusion.
With me is I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit what anybody says or what anybody thinks. I have this mindset. I know exactly who the fuck I am. Anybody else who doesn't like it or doesn't want it, bad.
Be the guy who embraces the ugly, the miserable. Be the guy who embraces hard work, the grind. Don't be afraid of being hurt. Don't be afraid of sacrificing some blood.
Be fucking fearless. Be fucking fearless, or as close to it as possible.